Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll down again, click on Dual Messenger and click on the switcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. Following that, select Install in the pop-up and wait. You can also click on this switcher next to your separate contact list if you wish to use it. So now when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this app, go into the same settings and tap on the same No Blue switcher. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!